When you upgrade to Rev 11 licensing, or add products or users to your existing license, your license server will automatically download and install your product keys on the next weekly pull. However, if you need your product keys immediately, you can force your license server to update your keys whenever you need to. To do this on Windows, open the Windows Control Panel and select the Synergy Control Panel. Then, select the Synergy Configuration Program, also known as SynConfig. In here, you can see the latest information on license synchronization, such as the last time the license manager synced, or the next time it will attempt a pull. When you click Synchronize, your license server will contact the Synergy License web service and download your new product keys. Alternatively, you can do this on the command line using lmu-sync. This command works on both Windows and Unix systems. If you have any questions or need additional help, please contact us at support@synergex.com.